Hi guys and welcome to today's live intraday trading. So right now I'm buying Bharti Airtel in the market level now around 759 levels. So I just bought it now in the market price. So yes, let's see how the stock will perform now. And before that, if you're new to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel for the daily live market updates. Okay. So guys, yes, we have bought the Bharti Airtel now. So thinking that the stock is in a good support level. Okay, you can see now the previous close was 771 and today it opened at 758. There's a bit of a gap down here, and yeah, 760 was somewhere a good support level. So from there you can see how the stock is moving up here. There's a strong wick what you can see at the candle below. Okay, so the red candle has formed, but it's not a big kind of a red candle. The sellers came in uh, to push the stock down, and suddenly the buyers came, and you can see the wick has been formed. So this shows there is a potential the stock can go up. Okay, and you can see at the top left the market is opening almost close to 1% up, that is 0.85% up as of now. 17,189 is where the market is trading as of now. So yes, this is how the market has opened. So let's see how the stock will perform, and I'm planning to keep the target of almost like 4 to 5 points maximum. Okay, so let's see how it will perform. Okay, and before that, if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn the whole concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you the unique strategies with no indicators. So these are simple and accurate strategies. Once you join us, you will get lifetime support with the live market guidance. Every day in live market, I'll be guiding you personally the trade, what we take, and everything once you join us. Okay, so let's see the trade now. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, by being said that, now we are back to the trade. So the stock has come down to 757 now. Okay, so let's see when it will go up. So just waiting for it, and you can see in the market depth also there is a little bit increase in the buyer side, but that cannot decide the trend. Okay, so according to the analysis what I have done, so it should go up at least like 1% from here is what my view is. So let's see. Okay, and if you guys wish to learn all these techniques, how I select the stock, how I take the entry exit, all these things, and if you guys wish to get the live market guidance from me, so whatever the trade I take in the live market, you'll get the same trade as well. Okay, so you can join us today by messaging me in the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and getting in touch with me, and I shall guide you all these things. Okay, so yes, now the stock is back to 760 levels. So you can see how it is moving now. So hoping that if the high breaks, if it goes above 761, it can go more higher is what my view is. So it's just a first 15 minutes candle. Okay, so you can see the buyers are in now, and the red candle has turned to green candle now, so we can see that the movement can increase now. Okay, so yes, let's wait, and you can continue to see the live trade how the stock is going to perform right now. And once I take my exit and once I close this trade, I'll update you guys about this trade. Okay, so until that, you can continue to see the live trade now. So as you guys can see, the stock has made a high of 763.85, and as you guys saw, I bought it somewhere around 758 to 759 levels, and the stock went up till almost like 56 points here, and I booked my profit and I took my exit. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's state of Bharti Airtel. So if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today, and I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market every single day to make a constant profit. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay. So if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.